Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to copy and paste on WhatsApp Android. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. As you can see here, this UI I'm currently using an Android device. So let's just go ahead and open up a message, or it could be a group. Okay. Now to copy, let's say I'm going to send a message just like so. To copy, just basically tap and hold onto the text. And once the message is highlighted, you can now go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three dots, and then just tap on copy. All right. And after that, you can go ahead and paste this one to the same exact chat. Okay. Just tap and hold, paste, or use the clipboard. Okay. Tap on send. Also, you can send this to any other messaging apps. Maybe this one. Tap and hold and paste. And you can do the same vice versa. Let's say I'm going to tap and hold onto this message from Messenger, copy. Now I'm going to go back to WhatsApp right here, tap and hold, paste, send. Okay, there you have it. That's how simple it is to copy and paste on WhatsApp Android. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.